So you're going on Ovation of the Seas and you're excited for your cruise. We were excited too, but there was no virtual tour of cabin 8148 on the Ovation. So we're fixing that. Balcony cabin 8148 is located on the 8th floor, obviously, of the Ovation of the Seas towards the middle of the ship. One bank of elevators is actually closer than the other, so you'll want to learn which one it is pretty quickly. When you walk in, you'll see everything you see here: a king-size bed, a couch, and a lot of storage space for such a small cabin. If you're facing the bed, the left side nightstand holds the cabin phone and just about nothing else. There are cubbies below it, though, so if you want to have your phone next to you, or you're slowly going through a book that you're reading, whatever it may be, you've got space for that. Also on that side, you have a large storage cabinet with hangers, more cubbies, and the safe. We always like to use the safe for just peace of mind. It's never been required. We've never even felt like we've needed it, but it's just nice to know that when you get off the ship or if you're at dinner, your valuables are protected. On the right side of the bed, you have a light switch, an outlet, some cubby space, and enough room for a CPAP, your phone, a sound machine, whatever it is you like to sleep next to. There's even a nice reading lamp next to you as well for some light. Closest to that side of the bed is the bathroom. The light switch is on the outside. Don't forget that. And as you can see, it's your standard cruise bathroom. The shower is a little bigger than a coffin. The toilet gives you just enough space for your knees, and there's even a little trash can there should you need it. The sink is plenty big to brush your teeth, get ready next to, or even rinse out your favorite soda freestyle machine cup. And on the other side of the sink area, there's even some shelves for you. Again, the shower is big enough to wash off in. And they give you that lovely 3-in-1 shampoo, body wash, conditioner, toothpaste, whatever the heck it is, stuff there on the wall. We always bring our own, but you do you. And there's even a little bar to rest your foot on so you can clean your feet easier. In an effort to maximize space, due to the small square footage, above each side of the bed is more storage. Past the bed, you'll find a comfortable couch. It's perfect for lounging and taking in that Alaskan air or Australian breeze, but it also converts into a bed. The thermostat worked well during our Alaskan cruise, but then again, it was Alaska, so we didn't exactly put the AC to the test. It also doubles as a vanity, but there's also a table and a chair if you have to work while you're on board. This area also features the concentration of outlets that everyone in your room will be fighting over. There are 2 American-style outlets, 2 USB ports, and a European outlet. Here's a pro tip for you. Buy on Amazon for like $10 a European outlet travel adapter. You can thank us in the comments later. Under the desk, again, maximizing space here, there's also a trash can. Next to the desk, you'll find a coffee maker and some mugs and a mat that just invite you to put your freestyle soda machine cups on it. Under that space, you'll find even more storage, including some drawers and a cooler. People always call this a fridge. It's not a fridge, it's a cooler. Also, you don't have to lock it. That's only there in case you have alcohol in there and you have kids on board, that kind of thing. Next to that, some more drawers, and then, of course, your balcony. It may not seem too big, but it's big enough for 2 people to go out and take in the extraordinary views. On it, you'll find 2 lounge chairs, a small table that some people bring out only for breakfast or coffee in the morning, which, by the way, breakfast to your room is complimentary, so be sure to take advantage of that. And there's 2 ottomans as well. There's nothing like having that balcony door open while cruising on the open sea. The views are incredible, whether you're in the ocean or at port, and they are yours. You are not up on the observation deck with 97 other people. Your balcony is yours. There is a TV in the room with, let's just say, 1 channel each for everyone. We always kept on the map channel so we could see how fast we were going and where we were in relation to land. Whether it's bumper cars, the Bionic Bar, ping pong, dance classes, or going up in the North Star, there's so much to see and do on Ovation of the Seas. But the beginning and end of your day, regardless of what you decide to do in port or on board, are spent in your cabin. And you could do a lot worse than balcony cabin 8148. Our final grade, a solid B. If you want something nicer, you got to splurge for a suite. But if you're like most of us who can't afford that, this is as good as it gets. It's not an inside room. It's not an ocean view room. It gives you the space that you need and a balcony view to enjoy, all while on board the Ovation. We're building this channel slowly but surely. You can help by clicking that like button before you go, and we'd really appreciate you hitting subscribe. Until next time, we are 10-minute travel, real reviews from a real person in 10 minutes or less.